I'll go, please. Dragon has transitioned to terminal count and is on internal count. Stage 1, LOX load, close out.
Okay, we're at T-minus 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Stage 1 LOX load is closed out. Stage 2 will continue to load for about another half a minute or once we get the completion of stage 2 LOX loading, we have to vent down the line, so you'll see another large white cloud coming off of the strongback. That'll be normal. That'll happen around T-minus 1 minute and 40 seconds. We're going on internal power now.
Just a few seconds away from the stage 2 LOX load being complete.
और 2-3 मिनट में चला जाएगा
It's been almost 9 years since we've been in this position.
2-3
A
मिनट
lot of work done by thousands of people to get to this point. All our eyes focused on 2 now.
ये क्या है?
बारिश
अच्छा ना बारिश भी हो रही है?
It's raining.
Yes bro. Fuck.
Stage 2, LOX
They
load.
wanted your pouring water, no?
complete.
Or the weather is like that, no?
Weather is like that.
Dragon is in auto idle.
बोला weather बहुत अच्छा है.
Please animate में
Stage 2
चूतिया
LOX
पना
load
कर ले.
complete.
Oh,
All fuel, all oxidizer on Falcon 9. 1 minute
इसकी एनर्जी
34
इतनी होती है
seconds
ना
to go
कि
to
अगर
launch.
बादल है तो अपने आप बिजली होगी. इसकी एनर्जी
ಅವ್ರಿಬ್ಬರು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಒಬ್ಬ 4 ಸೀಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಆ 3 ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ನೋಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ उसका लाइफ ही वो 3 स्क्रीन है बस
जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है. डिजिटल मतलब
सब टेक्नो ब्रो दे वांट टू
दो
टॉक टू द टीम इट्स इन देयर हैंड
1500 से 2000 कीज होती थी पहले स्पेसशिप में.
Falcon 9 is in startup. Dragon is in countdown. STS is armed for launch.
Come on.
Under a minute now, the FTS the flight termination system has been armed.
Go for launch.
Dragon, SpaceX, go for launch.
Go for launch. अब सबका लेगा वो.
SpaceX Dragon, we're go for launch. Looks like this
सब डिपार्टमेंट को बोलेगा वो.
T-minus 30 seconds.
वाला 24 3
Come on, come on.
Stage 1 tanks pressing for flight.
T-minus 15 seconds. 10, 9,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4,
3, 2, 1.
0. Ignition. Liftoff.
Bang! John. Hi. Woo!
Godspeed.
Come on, baby. 27 running engines. Come on, baby. Hi.
go go go
स्पीड देखो, सिर्फ स्पीड उस पे मीटर पे स्पीड देखना.
Flying crew on board Dragon and Falcon 9 and look at them go.
Come on.
M1D throttle down.
1000 kilometers per hour.
For the period of maximum dynamic pressure. We're in the throttle bucket.
उनके अंदर का दिखाओ यार, एस्ट्रोनॉट्स का हाल.
All systems are go.
1000 max Q.
Vehicle is supersonic. We've exceeded Mach 1 on the Falcon 9.
M1D throttle up.
Come on.
We're throttling back up to full power as we're through max Q.
देखा,
1 Bravo.
30 सेकंड में 15 किलोमीटर ऊपर चले गए.
That 1 Bravo call out, that's just the second abort zone that they're in. They'll continue to be on this.
ये देखो, ये दोनों आराम से बैठे हैं अंदर, उनको कुछ फील ही नहीं हो रहा है.
Bob and Doug pulling about 2.3 Gs, 2.3 times the Earth's gravity, already moving at over 1,500 miles per hour.
We've heard the call
3,000 kilometers per hour.
That's getting the MVAC engine ready to light. That'll come at about 2:44 into flight. Right now, everything continuing to look good. The next major event coming up
Come on.
is going to be the triple We'll have main engine cutoff of the 9-4 stage engine.
4000 kilometers per hour.
And then ignition of the second stage engine.
और 46, 47, 50 kilometers. ऊपर पहुंच गए bro.
Coming up in about 20 seconds.
And 1D throttle down.
पहुंच गए ऊपर 2 मिनट में bro in the space.
Are you kidding me?
Yes bro.
Throttling down the Merlin engine.
65 kilometers they are up.
They are already 6,700. Oh, 2, 3.
स्पीड देखो.
Oh my god.
और बाजू में दिखा रहा है एल्टीट्यूड 2.5 मिनट में 80 किलोमीटर.
Falcon stage separation confirmed.
सेपरेशन हो गया.
हो गया ऊपर.
जो रॉकेट था वो निकल गया.
निकल गया सर. कैप्सूल गया उसका.
ओनली कैप्सूल इज लेफ्ट. और रॉकेट अभी नीचे आएगा.
Alright, we have stage separation confirmed.
देखो,
The first
आराम से
stage
बैठे हैं
beginning its
दोनों.
flight back. The second stage being powered by that single Merlin 1D vacuum engine has ignited. And this
अभी ये
double
engine
ship
start
is
होगा.
carrying Bob and Doug into orbit.
चालू हो
So
गया.
we're going to continue under the power of this second
Stage 2
stage,
propulsion is nominal.
which will cut off. at
कितने आराम से
Seco,
बैठे हैं,
second
देखो तो
engine cut
सही.
off at about
इतनी
5
speed
minutes
में.
and 44 seconds into today's
So
flight.
smooth.
Over 5 minutes to go still on this second stage. You heard the call out to
Speed
Alpha,
देखो.
so they're now in the longest
7,000
abort zone that carries
kilometers
them
per
all the way
hour.
from about North Carolina up the eastern seaboard almost to Canada. Things looking good though, getting good call outs, nominal propulsion on that second stage. Bob and Doug continuing to make their way into orbit.
Dragon SpaceX nominal trajectory.
Acquisition of signal Bermuda. SpaceX Dragon nominal trajectory.
4 मिनट में 160 किलोमीटर.
All right, here in nominal trajectory, so Dragon pointed in the right
Can you see
direction,
the Earth?
continuing to
Our
make their
beautiful
flight
Earth.
uphill. Heard acquisition of signal Bermuda. That's one of the other ground stations they're using to get telemetry and data back from this spacecraft.
Stage 2 propulsion is still nominal.
Om Namah Shivaya. It is already there.
Bro, the beautiful part is yet to come, bro.
I know.
The rocket will come and land on
The same position.
same position, bro.
From the right off.
Yes. This is the beauty of Elon Musk, bro. That you can use each rocket anytime.
I am building one estate with
A little over 4 minutes, 40 seconds into the flight. Bob and Doug flying at more than 50
Dragon
miles per hour.
SpaceX nominal trajectory.
Bro, 200 kilometers.
Almost 200 miles down
in 5 minutes.
from the Kennedy Space Center. Nominal trajectory.
ये देखो, ये रॉकेट है, ये वाला SpaceX. वो रिटर्न आएगा अर्थ पे और लैंड करेगा.
And while they continue uphill, it looks like we are getting a view of the first stage as well.
Up on your right screen, you can see that first stage with the grid fins deployed. It's making its way back to attempt to land on our drone ship, Of Course, I Still Love You today. We're just about a couple minutes away from the entry burn, and that's where 3 of the 9 Merlin engines do ignite to help slow the vehicle down as it re-enters back into the Earth's atmosphere. And then after the entry burn, which is just a single
Dragon
engine,
SpaceX nominal trajectory.
and you heard is that call out? They are still on a nominal trajectory on Dragon. Still
पर भी
on
ऐसे देख लो
second
अपनी
stage,
दुनिया.
that's that
देखो, यही है
Honda
अर्थ.
engine on second stage on your left
दिख रही है?
screen.
यही है हमारी दुनिया.
Again, on your right screen is that first stage booster coming back towards our drone ship. Of Course, I Still Love You. We're about a minute away from entry burn.
Meanwhile, that second stage continuing to power Dragon into orbit. Again, if you're keeping an eye on that timer, that's going to continue to burn until 8 minutes and 44 seconds into flight. So a little over 2 minutes from now, we'll hear the call out Seco. It'll then be a little
Stage 2
under, a
propulsion is
little
still
over,
good.
अब ये
a little
कैप्सूल
over
1
3
दिन तक
minutes.
पूरा चक्कर
until
लगाएगा
Dragon
पृथ्वी का.
physically separates from the
तब जाके
second
वो
stage of the Falcon 9
लॉक होगा.
after the upper
Dragon
stage gets a
SpaceX
chance.
nominal trajectory.
Dragon tapping nominal trajectory.
Continuing to check in with Bob and Doug as they are on a nominal trajectory. Just about 10 from that first stage. Starting that entry burn on your right screen, you should be able to see that view live.
Stage 1 entry burn startup.
And there is that entry burn beginning.
Entry burn start हुआ. Speed low करने
This
के लिए.
burn lasts about 36 seconds long.
Stage 2 FTS is saved.
ये देखो बैठे हैं ना आराम से.
That entry burn continues. We're just about a minute away from Seco. We'll have a number of events all happen in rapid succession. Second engine cutoff. We'll be looking for that stage 1 landing burn shortly after.
Yeah, actually just within a few seconds of each other. Such a cool view on your left screen, seeing Bob and Doug on Dragon. Right now you can see the displays that they are seeing right now
Terminal
themselves.
guidance.
And back to Alpha.
We are coming up 25 seconds or so away from Seco, or second engine cutoff.
This is also the point where Bob and Doug are experiencing their highest G-force. We're seeing the counter tick up to right about 1.8.
Copy Shannon.
You heard Shannon, so that just means they're in their final abort zones. If they were to abort at this point, would either be unfortunate.
No, bro,
or
that's a
to
speed.
land off the
That's a speed.
197.
197 kilometers.
1 landing startup.
1 meter per
And
second.
back to
Yes.
Alpha.
They are so far now. That's why they told us
And
that
back
before
to
Yeah.
Good landing line.
status is changing now.
Confirmation of Seco's second engine cutoff.
यहाँ लैंड होगा. दरिया में लैंड कर रहा है वो. Okay. उतने accuracy से.
Our drone ship, of course, I still love you.
Dragon SpaceX nominal orbital insertion.
Just confirmation.
और हम अपनी गाड़ी सही तरीके से पार्क नहीं कर सकते.
What you're seeing on your screen is a live view of our drone ship, where our first stage will be coming down. Looks like we lost that live view, but we'll wait for confirmation of that landing shortly here.
Falcon 9 first stage.
लैंड हो गया.
And there
वाह रे वाह बेंच. सही है.
has landed.
पूरा रॉकेट लैंड कर दिया.
First Falcon 9 to carry humans to orbit, so very exciting for us. And as you can see on your right screen, Bob and Doug are still making their way to
जो
their
रॉकेट उड़ा था वो
targeted
लैंड भी हो
orbit.
गया.
7 meter recovery on.
So exciting today. It does not stop.
All right, we did hear again that call out, good orbital insertion. So Falcon 9 and Dragon right now exactly where they're supposed to be.
10 meter FRC on recovery 1.
And it's right at about 12 minutes
This is FRC
when
2.
Dragon. Looks like we saw a 0G indicator floating around there. I know Bob and Doug owe us a little bit about what exactly that is that they brought up with them.
And before separation, before Dragon initiates separation from the second stage, they do make sure to they do ensure that the vehicle is not spinning and is in good condition before we separate.
Stage does small attitude maneuver using some cold gas thrusters built into the rocket body itself.
Exactly. So we do expect that separation to occur in about a minute from now, but they do wait until they have full confirmation that it is ready to separate. Such cool views. I cannot get over this view that we're seeing right now. Bob and Doug on the right screen, inside of Crew Dragon, out in space.
Yeah, already 200 kilometers over planet Earth, or a little over 124 miles, traveling in excess of 2,700 meters, 27,000 meters per second, 16,000 miles per hour. Again, we're just standing by. That separation event should be coming up shortly. Then they'll begin a series of checks on the Draco thrusters that are going to be used to maneuver and then power Dragon on its flight to the International Space Station. Standing by for separation.
Expected loss of signal, wallows.
It sounds like we had an expected LOS loss of signal with one of the ground stations. Waiting for confirmation.
हो
now
गया
that
separate.
Separation confirmed.
मैन इंजन भी हो
dragon
गया.
separation confirmed.
There is a great view right in front of you
Compound
of
one
dragons
confirmed.
separating.
Separation confirmed.
And there's that column.
अब अकेला सिर्फ कैप्सूल ही रह गया
Dragon
है.
is now officially making its way to the International Space Station today.
Dragon SpaceX, we've got separation call. We have a few words for you from Flight 19.
जो इंजन था ना, जो भेज रहा था उसको, दो इंजन होते हैं, एक रॉकेट वाला और एक सेकंड स्टेज वाला. वो सेकंड स्टेज वाला इंजन है, वो जा रहा है. अब जो ऊपर कैप्सूल था ना, वो वही है सिर्फ ऊपर.
Thanks, Bala. Congratulations to you and the F9 team for the first human ride for Falcon 9. And it was incredible. Appreciate all the hard work and thanks for the great ride.
Thank you, thank you.
Bala, I'd like to
Abhi plus,
proud of you
it's
guys
already
and the
13
rest of
minutes
the
there.
team. Thank you so much for what you've done for us today, putting America back into low Earth orbit, performing the floor.
Sir,
Good luck.
10% is waiting.
चाय पी लो बंद आ जाओ यार.
Hey, उधर काफी
So
ब्रेक
Bob
नहीं
and
किया
Doug
उन
are in
Dragon
space.
6,
Highway में
service
उसको
section Draco
समोसा
checkouts.
नहीं किया.
Nose cone deploys in progress.
Copy all, we're monitoring.
ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ
The core here in Hawthorne giving the crew a heads up that
ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ನೀವು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊಡೆದೇ ಬಿಟ್ರಿ.
is going to open up a little bit more than 90 degrees, goes up to about, I think, 105 degrees, and that's going to expose the actual docking ring and the hatch that they're going to be going through once they attach